Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ford Fusion Hybrid SE. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid pushing out 188 horsepower. Four wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. Rear spoiler. Fusion Hybrid SE badging. Opening up the tailgate. Set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Dual climate controls, USB ports. This Ford Fusion has 60,297 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Fusion Hybrid SE, check out feldmanimports.com.